Hello everyone, welcome to our session on data wrangling. In today's session, we will try and understand the following issues. What is data wrangling? What are the steps involved in data wrangling? Why is data wrangling needed? And what tools can be used? Today, the world runs on data. Organizations need data in order to work more efficiently. However, this data is often scattered and heterogeneous in nature. It is rarely available such that can be used directly. Almost always, it needs to be processed and brought into a specific form before information can be extracted from it. So data wrangling is the process of converting and mapping data from its raw form to a structured format with the purpose of making it appropriate for downstream tasks such as data analytics and machine learning. Data wrangling is also called data munging. Data wrangling ensures that data becomes easy to access and analyze. There are some goals that should be kept in mind when wrangling data. Data wrangling should provide precise and actionable data to the data analyst, and this should be done in a timely manner. The idea is to reduce the time which is being spent on collecting and arranging data, so that the data scientist gets freedom to focus mainly on the analysis rather than getting the data in shape. When wrangling, one must always keep in mind the needs of the recipients. The recipients could be data scientists who will investigate the data further, or business users who may want to consume the data directly in the form of reports. Or the data may be passed to systems that will further process and write it into targets such as data warehouses, data lakes, or downstream applications. So diverse recipients may have differing needs, and that has to be kept in mind. Now let us look at what goes on in data wrangling. So broadly, data wrangling can be divided into the following steps. The first step is discovering, which allows you to understand what kind of data you have and what you can do with it. This exploration is required to identify the worth of a data set. The second step is structuring. Structuring is needed to bring the data into the shape required for the analysis at hand. Then we come to cleaning, which involves removing data that might distort the analysis. Issues that are tackled at this stage include null values and poor standardization, especially for text-based data. Next, enriching allows you to add extra data that may possibly enhance the value of the wrangled data. For example, you can add historical purchase patterns to current purchase data, or you can generate value by making some columns from the existing data itself. Then we come to validating. Validating checks data quality and consistency and verifies that any concerns have been properly addressed. Finally, we come to publishing, which refers to delivering the output of the data wrangling efforts. Next, we're going to list the tools that are available for data wrangling. Depending upon the amount and format of the incoming data, data wrangling has traditionally been performed manually using spreadsheets such as Excel or via scripts in languages such as Python or SQL or R. But commercial large-scale offerings such as those by Google or Trifecta are also available, and then they can make your task really easy. It is important for the data scientist to get familiar with these tools, as proper preparation of data is a prerequisite to successful analysis. Now, to summarize what we have learned today, data wrangling is a process that transitions raw data into prepared outputs to be utilized in analysis. The outcome is well-structured data formatted for the specific needs of the task at hand. Properly wrangled data allows the data scientist to focus on analysis. Many commercial and open source tools are available. That's it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.